Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, andito na naman tayo guys. Update na naman tayo for February 2025 Visa Bulletin. Upcoming na siya. So, ilang araw na lang ipapublish na yan dito sa website. So, titingnan natin kung ano naman yung mga final action date or cut-off date dito sa hinihintay nating employment-based preference at saka sa family-sponsored preference. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start sa ating topic, so bumabati muna ako ng Happy New Year po sa lahat ng ating manonood, sa lahat ng ating subscriber, at sa mga magsusubscribe pa lang, so Happy New Year. So I hope magiging happy yung New Year natin this 2025 nitong dala ng Visa Bulletin February 2025. So anyway, tulad lagi ng sinasabi ko, hintayin pa rin natin yung official publish ng Visa Bulletin para at least yun yung final details na makikita natin with regards to the cut-off dates for February 2025. Dalawa yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So yung una, yung update natin ng fiscal year 2025 Visa Bulletin. At saka pangalawa is yung uupo na nga si Uncle Donald Trump bilang presidente ng US ngayong January 2025. So, effective by January 20, Donald Trump will start for his presidency in the United States of America. So, ano kaya ang impact nito with regards to immigration to US? Yung first, yung update natin ng fiscal year 2025. So, nakailang buwan na rin yung nai-release from October, November, December, and January 2025. So, from October 2024, yung cut-off date nga niya is November 15, 2022. From October, November, December, so hindi yan nag-move. So, nag-stay lang yung cut-off date niyan. Hindi tumaas, hindi siya bumaba. Pagdating ng January 2025, nag-move forward siya ng 15 days. So, the new recent cut-off date ngayon is December 1, 2022. So, again, sa dumaan na fiscal year for 4 months until January 2025, 15 days pa lang yung move forward niya. So, yan yung hihintayin natin ngayon sa darating na February 2025, second month for 2025, kung ano na naman kaya yung recent final action date dito sa hinintay nating employment-based preference. So anyway, sabay-sabay lang natin ipagdasal. So yun lang talaga ang magagawa natin, na sana at least hindi siya mag-move backward or at least mag-move forward pa siya, or sana naman matapos na tong 2022 cut-off date para mag-start na siya ng 2023. So at least kung yung February ay mag-move forward, at least matapos na yung year 2022, or at least mag-start na sila ng January 2023. But anyway guys, we will wait for the official Visa Bulletin at malapit na yan ipapublish dito sa website. Next topic nga natin ngayon yung pag-usapan natin, which is si Uncle Donald. Mag-start na siya this January 2020. So alam naman natin ang kanyang first priority pag siya ay mag-start na sa kanyang presidency, which is priority for Americans. So he will ensure that the America, it will be prioritized to Americans. So ibig sabihin, hindi niya priority yung immigration process kasi tayo pa lang ay pupunta ng US, which is yung priority niya is yung Americans. So ika nga, for my own opinion, wala pa sa kanyang plano yung immigration requirements for family-sponsored or employment-based preference kasi nga yung first priority niya is for Americans. And second na priority niya is massive deportation for illegal immigrants in the United States. So ito yung medyo nakakalungkot, nakakaba kasi talagang maraming maaapektuhan yung mga nasa US na which is yan yung priority rin ni Donald Trump, na i-deport lahat ng illegal immigrant currently na nasa US. Kaya nga muli, ang masasabi ko in my own opinion, medyo hindi pa niya masyadong matututukan yung immigrant services or yung pagpunta natin sa US kasi nga meron pa siyang ibang priority to clean the America, give priority to Americans and deportation for illegal migrants in the US. So additional with that, si Donald Trump din, parang part din ng programa niya dun sa mga nagbabalak mag-US through immigration ay parang ihigpitan talaga yung mga documents requirements para ma-legalize lahat ang pagpunta mo sa US. So yan lang yung latest update natin ngayon guys. So anyway, talagang lagi kong ang sinasabi, hintayin na lang natin yung official visa bulletin na mapublish na dito sa website for February 2025. Thank you so much sa inyong panunood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year! See you next time! Bye-bye!